Let me give you a secret to making your cooking time shorter, okay? And this is the secret. You're going to go to the store or any shop, buy your pepper in bulk, and then also buy tomatoes in bulk. Come back home and then wash it. Pick out all the bad ones just the way I'm showing you. They take them away. They're not good for your food. Wash it until it is all clean. Pick out all the seeds that are in it, because the seed will make your food bitter, and you don't want to serve your family with bitter food, because they will run and leave your food and you're going to have to eat it all by yourself. So I am starting with the pepper. The tomatoes will be after I'm done with this. I'm done with all the peppers, and it's time for it to just be chopped and blend. Now it's time to get our tomatoes, but let me sort my son out. He's busy eating broom in his mouth, so I'm giving him, go and put it in the bin. Don't eat it, my dear son. He's still holding it while he's always with mommy. Now this is my tomato box, and I found this terrible stuff inside my tomatoes. Look at that. It's a bit scary. Straight away into the bin. We don't want it. So once I'm done, pour it into the sink and begin to wash it. I found one scotch pepper there. When I started washing, this one came. Mommy carry me. He's even happy that I'm carrying him. So yeah, I have to take a break and carry him. He was very happy. You don't know that my time is going. They are always there. God bless them. So after playing with him a bit, I have to use style and play a little bit and drop him, give him some biscuit, and then while he was having it, he went away. Look at that, he's gone. So that is what I always do, play with him a bit and let him go. Then started washing all the tomatoes, make sure it's clean. There are some there that I have to throw them away, as you can see, because they're beginning to rotten. You don't want that. When I'm done, I just went ahead to start chopping my pepper. I'll cook the pepper separately, then I'll cook the tomato separately, and I'm going to then mix them together so that it will not be too much in one pot. Okay, if you have a bigger pot, just mix them together. So I will chop and blend, and keep pouring it into a large pot. I have like a very large pot that always contain all that, and I'm just going to add water once. I will pour a little bit of that and leave some, then I'll keep blending with it. That was what I did, and yeah, I'll keep doing that. Leave half of it inside, blend with the remaining one, and yeah, that is it. Can you see this quantity I left, so that it will be easy for me to blend? You don't want to keep adding water and water and water. It will make it runny, and we don't want that. We want the juice to be very strong. So I blended everything until it is ready. While that is going on, clean up the mess that is on the floor. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I cook and clean because I don't want to leave it for later. Now this is the last bit of it, I think. Yeah, so yep, this is done. Back to the tomatoes. I will start just cutting them into the size that my blender can take. If your blender is those strong blenders that are very, very strong, you can just throw the tomatoes. They're soft and easy to blend. So I'm going to cut this and then blend it until it is smooth, and then I'm going to use a sifter and just sift out that. I left some of the peppers. I first kept it there and I realized that no, that is not the place for it, so I put it in the right place that it should be, and then save it for later for those quick recipes. Added a bit of water here and blend. Like this is the only water I added. The remaining one is just like I blend, leave half, and then continue blending. So this is what I will do. I don't like seed in my tomatoes when I'm cooking, so this is what I will do. But if you like seed, leave it and just continue with the cooking. I blend and blend. That is the last one, and that is the water that came out from it. Back to cleaning again. I always clean when I'm cooking. I don't know how to leave it for later. That's the last bit, and let it cook. So it's time to wash off all the things that we use. I just went ahead and dismantled everything, washed them until they're clean, and let them sit in the dish rack until they are dry. I use very hot water for this because it also sterilizes the things that you've used earlier. clean up everywhere just like this. I use a very, very hot water, like it was literally burning my hand, but yeah, that is what I want. Now our tomatoes is all ready. Look at that, just to cook a little bit further. That is the tomatoes. Oh, the other one was pepper, I mean that was a mistake. And this is now the tomatoes. Cook them down until you know they are all dried up, not like completely dried up. I don't like them too dry. While that's going, I'm going to fold up the carton. I actually hurt my hand while doing that. My nails, they just had like a cut mark, but it was not cut. So yeah, but we continue. And this is a few hours later. I cooked this. It was already like this, and that is it. It's all ready for, you know, just preserving it. And then I'll use, this is the consistency I want. You can make yours thicker if you want, and then put in the blended tomatoes into this pot, and that is it. Look at the mess I have in my kitchen. Not that much, so that is not a problem, and I will just clean that up, then I will rest. So that is the benefit of cleaning while cooking. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video, but until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.